Yacht broker Scott Gregory coming to you live here in the studio, going over some tips and suggestions if your boat is not selling in this current market. Number one, hire the right yacht broker, somebody with some credibility and experience behind them that can actually help you and is going to go the extra mile. Number two, price that boat right where you want to get it sold. Okay, if you're asking $150,000 and the market's bringing $120,000, price that boat at $124,900. Okay, and you'll get immediate buyer interest. It's going to make all the difference in the world. Number three, dynamic photos and YouTube video. Okay, separate yourself from the competition. I'm always here for help, so feel free to reach out, leave a comment in the comment box below, or call me at 313-530-0029.